Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. The topic that I'm discussing today is how to easily remove or control leaf miners using organic pesticide. Leaf miner damage is unsightly and if left untreated can end up causing serious damage to the plant. Taking steps to rid of leaf miners will not only make them look better but will improve their overall health. Leaf miners tend to be nondescript black flies. The flies do not directly cause damage to the plant. Instead, it's the larva of these flies that causes the problem. Most of the time, the pest is identified by the leaf miner damage. Frequently, it appears as yellow swingly lines on the leaves. This is where the leaf miner larvae have literally based their way through the leaf. Leaf miner damage can also appear as spores on the branches. First step The first step is naturally cutting the damaged or infected leaves. And eliminate them. The second step is to natural way of killing leaf miners is to use neem oil. The insecticidal oil affects the leaf miner's natural life cycle and will reduce the number of larvae that becomes adults and thus the number of eggs that adult will lay. While neem oil, this is a procedure, add neem oil and liquid detergent or soap into spray bottle. To make a thick bilayer, then shake up the solution and spray all over the plants. Hope you find it informative and useful. If you're new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. Also, if you like it, press the like button, share this video with family, friends and relatives. Also, press the bell notification so that you can watch new videos of my channel. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.